We are continuing with the V8 rebuild, and we're busy putting in the transmission. Then we're going to move the chassis and install the engine. Okay, so transmission's in. We're busy just refurbishing the handbrake drum with the linings, and we're going to give the drum a coat of paint, and we're also going to give the transmission a coat of paint on the steel area where it's orange in color from rust. Reggie's just preparing the side of the gearbox for painting. We're fitting the pressure plate to the V8 now. So we've put on the spigot bush, fitted the clutch plate, put the pressure plate on, and now we're going to fit the V8 to the chassis. We don't have the engine mountings on the actual engine as yet. We just want to line up the engine with the bell housing, get it in the right position. We're busy with installing the engine mounting brackets to the engine. We've married up the bell housing gearbox to the engine, and we're almost ready to lower this onto the chassis. The 3.5 V8 motor and the transmission are finally married together and finally in situ. The next is to fit the fuel tank and the exhaust, and then we can start to assemble the body of the vehicle.